So the purpose of this code was to create an interactive game where the user had to find a buried treasure. So the way how this code works is that when the green flag is clicked, it resets, and then it says, help me find a treasure, and say, click and drag your mouse in the sand. You're close if you hear a sound, and then it automatically randomly like sets treasure X and treasure Y. These are the coordinates for treasure X and treasure Y to better locate where the treasure is. So when mouse is down, it goes to a if statement is where this part is saying that the treasure on the x-axis it will be around 60 units, and then on the y-axis it will be around 60 units. And then if you get closer to this point, then it will play a sound. If the treasure is and then it will go to the next condition where it's x-axis is negative 20 is 20, and the y also 20. That means that it's getting very, very close to the treasure. You might find it around that space. And then after that, if they found it, it will say treasure X. It will say the coordinates of the treasure. And then if nothing was found, then it will just say nothing. Let's see how this works. So help me find a treasure. Click and drag your mouse. So this part you can hear the sound. Nothing right here. And then you can hear the sound right here. And then you keep on doing it like around here, anywhere. Means that it's close. It could be somewhere right here. Yeah, and then you found it. Until it says found it, then it's located there. So if I were to change the units for like how close the treasure is, like to 10, it will be harder for the user to find because it's very close, and then they need to click more, and like they have to click very close to the units that we put right here. So it will be more challenging and more intense for the user to play.